Hi everyone, welcome to Research Campus. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a LinkedIn business page, or if you run a company, then a LinkedIn company's page. Now, it's no news that LinkedIn is a professional networking platform. It's basically the suit and tie of social media. It has over 700 million users, which includes professionals, businesses, and top decision makers in businesses. So if you're thinking of building a strong online presence for your business and of course to engage with professionals in your industry, then you need a LinkedIn business page. So now you might ask, Risa, I already have a LinkedIn profile. So why can't I just promote my product or my company on my LinkedIn profile? Well, there is a huge difference between a LinkedIn profile and a LinkedIn page. Your LinkedIn profile is basically like your digital resume where you can showcase your professional background, your education, your skills, and of course your achievements. You can also use it to apply for jobs and network with recruiting managers. Meanwhile, a LinkedIn page is totally different. It is there to represent your company, your business, and your brand. It basically gives that professional feel to your business. On your LinkedIn page, you can showcase your company's expertise, your products and your services, and even your achievements, which in turn would help you attract the right customers and, of course, partners or people who are willing to partner up with your business. Another huge difference between a LinkedIn profile and a LinkedIn page is that with a LinkedIn page, you can use it for recruitment and to post job openings. And of course, you can also showcase testimonials from past clients. So without much talking, let's go ahead to see how you can create a LinkedIn page for your business. To create a business or a company page on LinkedIn, you need to use your personal profile. Now, if you don't have a personal profile on LinkedIn, simply go to Google and type in linkedin.com, sign up with your email address, and you're good to go. Once you're logged in, go to the top where it says for business, click on the drop down arrow, and then scroll down until you see where it says create a company page. So we're going to click on that. Now it's going to take you here where you have to choose exactly what type of page you'd like to create. So I'm going to click the first one, which is a business page. Next is to fill in the necessary information in the box. So the first is the name of your business or your company, then the link to your website. Now if you have a website to your company, then you can put the link here. Just copy and paste the link. Next is to select how many employees you have in your company. So click the drop down arrow and then choose from the list. So next is the organization type. So click, is it public? Is it a public company, self-employed, or what government agency? So mine is self-employed, so I'm going to click on self-employed. Next is to upload the logo. Click on choose file and then just grab the logo of your company and upload it right there. Next is to write the tagline for your business. Now, if you don't have a tagline, then you can use AI to produce a tagline for your business. So I'm going to be using Gemini, which was first of all called Google Bard. So just ask it to produce tagline for your particular business and it's going to generate some script for you. So all you need to do is to just copy, make some necessary edits, and then go back and then paste the tagline there. Next, click the verification box and then click create page. Alright, so the page has been created. So the next thing we're going to do is to continue with some necessary edits. So the first thing we're going to do is to add our banner image. So click on the little pen tool. Once you click that, you're going to see upload cover. And if you take a look down, you're going to see the image size. We're going to go to Canva and create our image. So click on custom size on Canva and make sure it's on pixel. So next, we're going to put in the width, which is 1128, and then the height 191, and then click create new page. Now, once that is opened up, we're going to go to the left. You're going to see some templates that you can choose from. So you can select the one that you like and then make some necessary edits. So once you're done, click the share button, click on download and export this image to your device. We're going to go back to LinkedIn, click on the pen tool, upload the image that we have just downloaded from Canva. And then right here, you can make some necessary edits on the image before it's uploaded. You can zoom in and out the image by just dragging, or you can also filter the image. Just click on filter and you have the different filter options available for you. So choose the one that you like, and you can also adjust the image. You can change the brightness, the contrast, the saturation. You can basically just change the look of your image. And once that is done, just click on apply. All right, so next is to add description to our page. So go to where it says add description, click on that, and it's going to take you right here. Again, you can use AI to create the perfect description. We're going to use Gemini once more. I'm going to ask it to write a description for our page, and it came up with these options right here. And you can just copy and then paste. Again, you can do the necessary edits. Again, you can add a website to your business if you have one. And then next, you can add the phone number. So you can add in a phone number right there. And then you can go to where it says add specialties, and then you can just basically add some of the specialties or the services that your company or your business provides. Now, once that is done, you can go to the top and click save. Now, as you can see, we need a website URL. So you can, if your company or your business has a Facebook page, you can simply go to Facebook and copy the link of your Facebook page and then go back and then paste it if in case you don't have a website. So once that is done, just click save. All right, so next is to add a call to action button. Go to the left and you're going to see buttons. Click on that, then turn on the button. Click on the drop down arrow to choose the type of call to action button you like to add. Is it a contact us, register, sign up? I'm going to be using contact us because I'll need to add in my WhatsApp number. The next box is to paste a link to our contact number. So I'm going to create a link to my WhatsApp number by going to this website, create.wa.link. Click on where it says create a free link. And then this is where we're going to put in our number. Now, first of all, click on the drop down arrow to make sure that it is on your country's code. Automatically, it's on my country's code. So you can just type in your number. The next is to add in a custom message down on this box. So this is the message that the customer is going to see once they click contact us. Once that is done, click generate my WA link. And then just scroll down and click copy link. Then go back to LinkedIn. Paste the link in the URL box. Then just click save. So next, just click the X, close the box, and then click again to close this one. And there it is. So this is how our page is looking like. When you scroll down, you can see the contact us button. You can see our link, that's Facebook link, the number, the company size, the specialty. So the page is looking professional, looking good. We have our contact button at the top. Whenever someone clicks contact us, it's going to direct them to our WhatsApp, and the first thing they're going to see is the custom message that we just created. All right, so you can choose to leave your page like this or go ahead to add more information onto your page. Go to the left and click edit page, and it's going to take you where you can add more information to your company's page. So you can add a lead generation form. If you want to collect emails directly on your LinkedIn page, you can use this option to add a lead generation form onto your site. But I'm not going to do that for now. Next, you can go to where it says workplace. Toggle on the button and then click on the drop down arrow to select the primary workplace for your business. Is it working remotely, on site? And in case your company or business has a workplace policy, you can add it in this box. Now, once that is done, click the save button. Now, if you want to add other workers or employees to be admins of this page so that they can add posts or give them different tasks on this page, then simply go to settings and you're going to see manage admins. Click on the arrow and it's going to take you to this page. And what you're going to do is click on where it says add admin. This is where you're going to type in the name of the worker or the employee. So as you type the name, LinkedIn is going to give you some suggestions and you can just choose from them. Now remember, the worker or employee needs to have a LinkedIn profile to be able to be added as an admin to the page. Another great thing about having a company's LinkedIn page is that you can check the analytics. So go to the left, click on where it says analytics, and you can check to see how your page is doing, how the post is doing, how many impressions you're getting, your customer demographic, and so on and so forth. Alright guys, so that is how you can create a LinkedIn company's page. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also leave a like. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I will do my best to answer all your questions. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.